What's up, y'all? We're making another video of Minecraft. So, well, we're not doing a mod today, but I'm sorry. So, honey. So we're making another Minecraft YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is going to be strange today. So this is how I need something to hold my camera once in a while. My first video, there you saw Space Minecraft. This video, horrible video. That's actually my brother filming it. Well, he's not here. He's at school. I have school today. I have school today, but I'm home already. Dang it. So I need a one. Oh, this is better. Dang it. I'm gonna make this video. Do I have to just end this video? Guys, comment down below. What do you need to make YouTube videos off of a computer? I'm gonna try to use one hand. So today we're gonna do a fancy trick. Go away, command block. So you might noodles. I said noodles. Noodles. I am putting on 1.13.2. Co-op version. I got a command block to get it. So, oh, I did slash. I want to do slash execute. What is effect M? Give my username. Unlock. Yum, yum, yum. Cha. Dang it! Oof. I don't do a slash soon. Oh, come on. Oh, slash again. At pay. Oh no. At E. How would I do that? That's for a weird command. Boom. How about CC? Cook. Cookie. Cook. Cookie. So we're gonna put 64. Oh, like, what you do that? You're saying, I bet you're saying, Alice, why would you do that? Because I can if I want. I saw it. Why did I put the camera down? Just look at the. Hold on. Just face me. Hey guys, what you doing? My phone. So pop this button down. Sorry guys, just look at me. Did I click the button? Cookie, 64 cookie. So guys, I got a new game. Go away. this version of Minecraft. Much quiet, beautiful music. To get the command block in this version, the /give @v doesn't work. Command block. So do this. Take a screenshot, then copy this in your computer. Pause the video and make a screenshot. Okay, done. There's command blocks in this. There is a command block. Slash. I know it is a... Why does this happen? Guys, I'm gonna have to get command blocks in the description. How to in 1.11.2. And guys, I think I can make a video, so like and subscribe for notification. I'll send a video and hit the bell. Peace out. Boom.